Hello. Hello. It's Izzy, and today we're gonna make, what is it called? We're gonna make vegan palak paneer today. I'm following a recipe from TikTok, which I will link below, but I'm not gonna follow the full thing. For example, I don't like spicy, so I'm not gonna add any chili or something, okay? Substituting the cottage cheese with smoked tofu, and smoked tofu tastes so much better than normal tofu because it has a special flavor, and I don't like smoked stuff, but I like that. So it's not just the smoke flavor, it's amazing. It's so good. Like, I made it for my friend and she said it tastes like chicken. Yeah, that's not my goal. I just wanted like something to bite, period. I'm kind of craving it, so let's do it. Guess what emotion I'm acting, and I will reveal in the end. Okay, starting now, the emotion. Emotion, it's an adjective. It's an adjective. I sadly only have this much garlic. Let's go cut. Let's go cut it. Let's go cut it. Yummy. Finally! Everything will be mashed up anyways. Just looked in the camera with the flash on and I'm fucking blind now. Just kidding, I'm not saying that. I'm not blind. I can see so clearly. I see so clearly. Okay, that was so unnecessary. What the fuck? Oh my god. That was so cool though. Oh god. Are they spicy? Okay, they're not spicy. Nice. Okay, 4 is enough, I think. I actually don't hate the taste now. On second thought, I will use all the green peppers because there is no other occasion where I will need them. Okay, there must be a better way to cut it. Oh god, this will take so long. So this is not part of the recipe. Okay, so the recipe had green chili, but I'm gonna use this as green chili. Or else I skip this step. Fuck chili. Ugh, this board is not straight, like me. So annoying. But this is our onion board, that's why I'm using it. I hope this taste won't be strong. If the whole thing tastes like this, then I'm gonna scream. Because I don't even like the taste of this. I'm just using it because I have it, and I don't want to waste it. Tempeh, my love. Tempeh, I love you. Ouch. Oh, let's cut the tofu too. Oh shit. It tastes like meat. What the fuck? Okay, that should be good. Juicy. Fuck. Oh, fuck it. I'll just do this then. Ugh, but cubes look prettier. Perf. I'm also adding this because I have it and it fits in my opinion. But this was not in the recipe. This is just me improvising. Yay. I'm getting hungry. Chill the fuck out. So dramatic. think. Water is boiling to blanch the spinach. I'm not gonna wash it because it's gonna boil and then be in an ice bath, so it's gonna be washed twice. Yeah. So this smells so good. Oh shit. Fuck. Why aren't you sticky? Ugh. Out you come. Piece of onion. If I wash, okay, I'm gonna wash the spinach so I can use the same water to cook rice. Or, no, fuck it, I'm gonna make rice in a smaller pot. Okay. Water's boiling! I'm gonna use all. Wowie, was that a kilo? No, it's not, 500 grams. Perfect! Okay, I need to start hopping again. Shit. Looks ready already. I need to make the ice thing. Shit. And I don't even have proper ice, bro. Help! Oh, this smells good! Oh, shit. It's black already. Whatever. Okay. Ice. Purple, of course. Someone didn't refill and now I have half. No, fuck the person, not this. Ugh. Oh shit! The corner hurt me. Okay, you can chill. I'm trying to hurry. This is like a third full, like, who the fuck? So, oh my god. Wow, how cute. Wow, that's a lot. Cute. Very cute. That's definitely enough. Oh shit, oh fuck. Multitasking. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the ice. No, that's dumb. Hurry, water, hurry! Come on! I'm so glad no one's home. Yeah, that's good, I think. Should I wash it first so it's like cool down a bit, or else it's gonna like... Okay, maybe it's supposed to be a shock. Oh, yes! Oh shit, okay, come here. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh shit, no, that's not my adjective. Someone please explain to me what the point of the ice bath is. Why can't I just put it directly in the pot with the seasoning stuff and blend it? Taro. The head. I'm not gonna mix this. I'm just gonna mix the spinach like the recipe. It smells so good already. Wow. Okay, this looks good. We're gonna start the pan now. Oh, overwhelming. Oil? Okay. I'm gonna put olive oil, but any oil will do. So the recipe said garlic first, garlic and ginger and turmeric. And now I mixed everything together, but it's okay. I think I can still manage. Kurkuma. Oh yes! That's way too much. This can wait. Rice, I washed them. I just have to add in water now. I'm not even acting anymore because it's so stressful. There you go. Okay, it smells so good. Oh shit. I was supposed to first brown these and then do that. Oopsies! I was supposed to use a pot. Oh shit. Tomatoes. Green chili was after the tomato. Fuck! Garam masala is so good. Love that. Hello? More. Get the fuck out. Oh my god. Shit. The steam. Fuck. This was clean before. Okay, that should be enough. Cumin. And then we add the spinach. That's it. Slide. Oh shit, the rice. Okay, I'm gonna do the rice now. Fuck. 1.5. Okay, you can chill. Can you please turn off? If you have that kind of hat, oh my god, what is it called? Hats. Where you cook stuff. You can wait till the rice boils with a cover. And then after it boils, turn the heat off and then just leave it on until the rice is done. It's gonna steam the rest of the way. And that's how I cook my rice. I think I might understand the point of the spinach thing because this is like not stick together. Oh my god, that makes sense. Wow. I don't think this step is unnecessary. I hope it's not gonna spritz. I'm gonna mix it in a pan. Normally they do it in the pot, so I think it. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna do it in the pot because I'm scared. Oh shit, that's full! So chaotic, I swear. Oh my god, it smells so good. The veggie water. Oh shit. Change. Please don't squirt on my shirt. Okay, nice, very nice. You can rest. I'm gonna fry my bok cubes first. Olive oil. Oh, this already smells good. Wow. Smoked tofu, you're magic. I'm also adding these potatoes, by the way. They look disgusting. They're from yesterday, and it fits. So, oh my god, it's like black. Fuck. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I'm gonna add sunflower oil so I don't waste my olive oil. Jesus, chill. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my god! I just put like a whole lot, bro. Chaos. While this does its thing, I'm gonna mix the spinach thing now. What the fuck? This was off. Fuck you. You're supposed to boil by now. I don't have cream, so I'm gonna use milk. Pay for milk, of course. Oat milk. The rice is boiling, and now I turn it off. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, oh my god, chill. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna put this in now. It's all the way over there. Phew. The rice is cooking. This is gonna cook. The rest, ew, I fucking touched it. Let me just wash this real quick. Cabbage. In German, it's Spitzkohl because it was like Spitz, which means peak. It's so mild because I didn't add salt. Just gonna add some mushroom stuff. Oh my god, this is so useless. Some garlic powder. Yes. Salt. So good. Yes. Oh, soy sauce because I have so much. This is not all. Period. This was not in the recipe, by the way. So don't judge the person who made it. This is just full on me. Fun fact, my grandpa puts soy sauce on top of everything, even things that are like soy sauce based. The rice, looking good, right? You're not supposed to open in between the cooking, so because it's steaming, you know, but this looks done, so I'm gonna. Oh yes, look how perfect. Wow. What fucking wow. Look at that. Look at that! Look! So glad no one's home, Jesus. We can eat now. Yay, finally. I think this took like 2 hours, and I've been filming non-stop for 34 minutes. That's crazy to me. A one shot, guys. Oh, you didn't even see the rice. Wow. I used to do double the water of the rice, and then I did 1.5, and I think it's better. Wow, I have so much left. Guy. I'm so happy. My cousin is back. So good. Frog sauce. My adjective was insane. I was trying to act insane, and I wasn't always in character because it's like hard when I wasn't under stress. Bye. Come the fuck here, camera. Cut! Jesus. I can't believe I need to change. It's so annoying.
Hi.
Hello. I still can't find my fucking pink knife. I'm so kind of mad. This knife sucks. It doesn't even cut. What's the point of the teeth?
Wir hatten dein pinkes Messer nicht.
Okay. Und das ist so scheiße, diese. Hello. Oh my god, look how stupid this knife is. Hello, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Fuck you, dude. Ugh. Can you be smoother, please? I wanted to make my rice in this too, so I can save some energy and water and time. Okay, I'm gonna back you up a bit so you can see my face too. Because my face is beautiful. My camera is dirty now. My phone actually. How should I cut it? Yeah, fuck it. I'm just gonna add it in together, or? Yeah, I'm gonna add it in together with the tomatoes. Nice. Okay, that looks good, I think. Anyways, back you go. Slide! Oh, it's so cute. It's like a rose. I don't know why I'm doing a deep voice. Water is boiled. No. Water is... Is it crazy to put my hand?